In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually install the Bancus app, how you can actually get the Visa card. Remember that they do have two cards. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, I'm going to give you more information about this decentralized, totally free of KYC crypto card that it's actually a Visa card. And it actually working worldwide. They are shipping everybody. It doesn't matter where you're from. As long as you can use a Visa card in your country, you can get it. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can actually install the Bancus app. I'm going to show you how you can get your card. In a nutshell, Bancus give us the opportunity to have a Visa card. It's 100% decentralized. What does that mean? That is KYC free. Okay. You can put your crypto in, and something really important, guys. This is not a cold wallet. Okay. You can only put your crypto in, but you cannot withdraw it unless you withdraw it using your card. This can be a plastic card or it can be a metallic card. Okay. Really important, guys, is that you are going to get two cards. Okay. You're actually going to get your card. You're going to get a virtual one and you're going to get a physical one. Okay. Um, that's something that I want to take into consideration. You can have your cryptos in any decentralized wallet that you want, and you can actually just transfer it to Bancus so you can use your card. If you decide to join by using the link below, you're going to have a special discount with the cards. I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment. Okay. So me actually share with you my screen. So you're going to have uh, all the information of how you can actually have the opportunity to install and be part of this. Okay. By using the link below, you're going to be landing on this page. Okay. Um, you're going to click. Actually, it's not going to be on this page. Let me refresh it because there is a couple of pages before. It's going to be like this. You're going to click here on next. Then you're going to click here on next. And then you're going to click here where it says install app. Okay. If you're on a cell phone, you're going to click here where it says install app. This is actually if you're on Android. What happens if you're on an iPhone? Because this happens to me. This is the message I got that says install on iPhone, iPad, tap the share icon in Safari, tap add to startup and enjoy the app. What does that mean? Okay. Step number one. Okay. You're going to click here. This is the share icon. Okay. This is the share icon. Then you're going to have a menu and you're going to click where it says add to homepage. Okay. Add to homepage. And you're going to have the app there. Then once you have it installed, you're going to create your account with just an email address. That's it. You're going to create your account with just an email address and you are going to be good to go. Now, Diana, I want to get the card because definitely that's one of the benefits. Well, here there's a couple of things that you need to understand. First of all, if you want to send money between Bancus users, remember that's 100% free. I already have a presentation about this. You're going to click here where it says send. If you're going to deposit, you're going to click here where it's deposit. Here, you're going to see all your transactions and you can actually deposit crypto, but also you can, depending on the country you are, you can actually recharge the card with fiat. You are going to have all the information here. Okay. So if you want to get the card, where are you going to go? You're going to go here where it says my cards. Okay. You're going to click here where it says my cards. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to activate a card? Do you want a card? Okay. You're going to click here where it says that you want a card. Okay. Here you're going to click it. Okay. Then you have the opportunity to choose between the metal card and the plastic card. If you go to their website, you're going to notice that they don't have the plastic card. They just have the metal card, and the price on the website is 150 USDT, up to 500 USDT per card. But if you use the link below, these are not the prices that you're going to pay. You are actually going to get the plastic one for 45 USDT. That includes shipping to everywhere. And if you decide to go with the metal one, the price is going to be 85 USDT. That also includes shipping. Okay. So definitely it's a huge discount, and you can select between one or the other. Okay. So you're going to choose the card that you want. And then at the time recording this video, you will need to send USDT with the Binance Smart Chain or BEP20, not TRC20, not ERC20. Okay. To the wallet that they're going to give you. Okay. This is going to be, well, chances are that this is going to be changing in the future. What does that mean? That they're going to be accepting USDT, but in other networks. Okay. But this is how you actually can get it right now. Okay. They're going to ask you, yes, for your name. They're going to ask you for your shipping information. They are going to reach you because they want to validate that they have all the info, and they're going to mail the card to you. Okay. What happened after 40 hours? They send the card. Your information is going to be destroyed. Okay. Your information is actually going to be destroyed because this is a KYC free Visa crypto card. Okay. So this is actually the benefits that's using Bancus. Besides the fact that you're going to be paying for the card, there is no monthly fee. There is no annual fee. Okay. The only fee that you're going to pay is like if you actually decide to recharge the card, it's going to be 4%. Okay. For every $100, it's going to be $4. Okay. So besides that, you're not going to be paying anything extra. Remember that this is not a cold wallet. So don't treat it as a cold wallet. Like, okay, I'm going to put my money in and then I'm going to be sending it to another wallet, because that's not actually possible. As you can see, you can only send money. You cannot withdraw money. If you're going to withdraw it, it's because you're going to be swiping the card. It's because you're going to go to an ATM and you're going to withdraw the card. So click the link below, get your Bancus card. And this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.